back 20 feet, slowly now. Watch the clearance on your left.
Confirmed. Coming back slowly.
The purified bone fat flows into stainless steel soap reactors. Here it mixes with alkali solution, heat, and controlled agitation.
The soap mixture enters refining cylinders. Multiple passes remove impurities.
The soap blocks move on to precision cutting lines. Steel wires slice cleanly. Each bar is identical. Weight,
raw bone in, pure soap out. Industrial transformation at its highest level.